In the interests of balance, this is a song of unrequited lust, where this time the failure is the female. It's a musical song. It's unusual for women to fail with lust, isn't it? I've never been that successful myself. Successful in failing, I mean.
Good girl.
I've often heard it said fae my father and my mother, go and tell warden as the markings o' another. If this be so, then I'll gang without a bidding, and it's kind providence would you take me to a warden, and it's so dear me. What will I do if I be an old maid in the garret? Oh, come tinker or come tailor, come soldier or come sailor, come on me man at all that would take me fae my father. Rich man or poor man, a fool or a witty, come on me man at all that would take me out of pity, and it's so dear me. What will I do if I be an old maid in the garret? Now I've a sister Jean, she's no handsome or good looking. Afore she was 16, a fella she was courting. By the age of 24, she'd a son and a daughter. Here am I 42, and I've never had an offer, and it's so dear me. What will I do if I be an old maid in the garret? I can cook and I can sew, I can keep the house right tidy, rise up in the morning and make the breakfast ready. There's nothing in this wide world would make me half as cheery as a wee fat man what would call me his ain dearie, and it's so dear me. What will I do if I be an old maid in the garret? Now I'll awa him, for there's naebody heedin', naebody's heedin' to pair me on his pleadin'. I'll awa him to my ain wee bed garret. If I canna get a man, then I'll surely get a parrot, and it's so dear me. What will I